Anas radiallahu anhu lived for a long time. He's saying that my hand never touched softer than the hand, the palm of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he touched clothes, never mind hands of people. Materials, which we call them like, very soft. Still, the hand of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is softer than that. It doesn't mean that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam doesn't do anything, but Allah gave him this. Yet, when it comes to wrestling, he's the world champion. Rukana, who is the world champion at that time, he met the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the Prophet of Allah wrestled him, and he defeated him. He couldn't believe it. He said, can I have another go? Yeah, give him another go, another round, and he defeated him. He said, you must be a prophet. This cannot be, because he doesn't look muscled, he hasn't got the six packs, all that. He hasn't got it, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But soon as he had wrestled Rukana, the best of the wrestlers, subhanallah, he was, and that's he said, must be divine power. And he embraced Islam. Yet his hand was what? Softer than anything.